Hi everyone, it's me, Cedric again, and today we are at Sengkang Block 23. Wow, 我是想 23. Hi everyone, it's me again, Cedric, and today we're at Sengkang Compassvale Street.
Located along Compassvale Street, this unit is only 4 to 5 minutes walk away from Sengkang MRT, Campus 1 Mall, Sengkang Community Club and 24 hours Kopitiam Square. Perfect for those who love to shop and dine out. This property is perfect for families with children, as you'll be glad to know that there are a total of 7 primary schools within 1 km radius, including the reputable Nan Chiao Primary School. Within 2 km radius, there are an astounding of 22 primary schools, including the prestigious Mito School. This is an actual corner unit, and at 1,184 square feet, it comes with 1 master ensuite, 2 common rooms, 2 bathrooms, living and dining area, a balcony, and an enclosed kitchen.
This lovely home comes with granite flooring and has a layout that is very rare because it comes with an actual balcony over here. This living room is very huge and spacious, which gives you ample space for your own customized renovation creativity.
With premium privacy, you can still enjoy the company of friendly neighbors while also maintaining your personal space.
This area receives plenty of natural sunlight, and because of this space, it gives you good sofa to TV distance.
The layout also provides a good separation between the living and dining areas without any wastage of space.
The kitchen comes with a very good condition, and the countertop is actually granite countertop. The kitchen is also very spacious, perfect for cooking and to host huge gatherings.
The windows in the yard area provide ample ventilation to dry clothes and keep the kitchen fresh. The first bedroom can easily fit a queen-size bed, a bulky wardrobe, dresser table, and a cabinet. All you need in a bedroom can be fitted perfectly well. The second bedroom is of a similar size to the first bedroom, no problem for a queen-size bed, 2 bulky wardrobes, and a dresser table. Let's unravel more amenities here in Sengkang Central. With just 1 MRT stop, you'll be at Buangkok MRT, where you can explore the highly anticipated Sengkang Grand Mall with childcare enrichment center, hawker center, community club, bus interchange, and a huge supermarket at the basement. Backtrack 1 MRT stop and you'll be at Punggol MRT, where you can shop at Waterway Point with Uniqlo, Love Bonito, Din Tai Fung, Putian, Dong Dong Donkey, Daiso, Decathlon, just to name a few. What's more, Sengkang Riverside Park is just within walking distance, perfect for your morning jog or brisk walk session. Furthermore, you get to enjoy fireworks here during the yearly major occasions.
Finally, introducing you the master bedroom. It's very huge, spacious, a really good layout as you can fit a king-size bed, a bulky wardrobe, and come on in. Over here, we can actually fit a flushed wardrobe, full height wardrobe over here, maximizing the space for your own preferences.
Alright, we have come to the end of the home tour. This house is definitely a well-maintained, good moving condition. If you want to view the house, do contact us.
Do remember to click like and subscribe, and you can find us in all social media platforms.
Yes, I'm Cedric.
And I'm Eunice, and we are from Property 65.
We uplift your home value, we sell higher. See you soon!